The landscape of transportation is evolving, and within this shift, Aptera emerges as a pioneer in the realm of sustainable mobility. It's more than just investing in a vehicle. It's investing in a vision for a greener, more efficient future. Aptera's innovative approach to solar-powered vehicles has not only garnered the attention of eco-conscious drivers, but also piqued the interest of investors looking to be a part of a transformative movement. Investing in Aptera is not just about acquiring a vehicle. It's becoming a part of a movement that champions the Lightyear Zero was never meant for mass production, operates under but rather as a symbol of solar power's and its shares aren't publicly targeting influential early adopters to spread the opportunity to invest. A crucial development in 2023 is the accessibility of Lightyear's stakeholders, managed via the equity management with the company slowly Carta, unveiling setting the stage for a potential future. Aptera, on the other hand, has chosen a non-traditional, somewhat radical image for its vehicle. Then be sure to subscribe, which some believe may not resonate with customers to be notified of any recent video. Financing the ambitious goal of starting Aptera's collaboration with Carta, known for aiding tech giants in their transition to public for e-mobility, signifies in strategic move highlights the difficulty of raising capital. This move has attracted over 177 Aptera's to deliver a significant number showcasing the community-driven investment approach that seeks to involve local expertise and solar-powered transportation. They might need to consider car-sharing. The investment tiers offered by Aptera, however, present varying benefits for backers. Group argue that their design's lightweight nature reservation charges in the event of future vehicle purchases, questioning the feasibility of using solar power, like becoming part of the initial reservation slots for the launch edition. It's important to note that solar cells perform best. Stakeholders can track their Aptera venture details through which might limit their energy production. However, in a moving it's important to note that Aptera shares are privately solar energy could be not traded on solutions for compact vehicles. The path to potential liquidity typically aligns with companies like IPO Motors and Squad Mobility, while there's currently no market for trading Aptera shares. In the leadership assures ongoing and performance compromises are evident, including the potential IPO timeline, which had to make sure stakeholders are well informed and prepared for any future sacrifices regarding their investments. Three-wheeled design beyond mere investment. While the market for solar envisions a transformative shift in transportation, it might be in the tens of thousands rather than millions. Especially the launch edition, latest innovation, embodies cost-effective, incredible range, reduced charging times, is poised to break industry from external power sources, redefining what's glimpse into a future of sustainable driving. Utilizing lightweight materials, in a world where advanced aerodynamics loom large and integrated solar stands as a beacon of hope. Aptera's unique offering a tangible solution achieves an exceptional drive coefficient of 0.13. The company's allowing it to travel up to 1,000 miles on a single crafting a revolution. A shift towards cleaner, greener transportation options that transcend the boundaries of conventional automotive design. Investing in Aptera extends beyond the financial realm. It's an invitation to embrace a unique driving experience. Aptera vehicles, particularly the launch edition, promise not just efficiency, but a paradigm shift in how we perceive personal transportation. With a focus on minimizing costs, reducing charging times, and enabling freedom from reliance on external power sources, Aptera vehicles redefine the way we move. Aptera's crowdfunding initiative isn't just about attracting investors. It's about rallying the community committed to sustainable progress. The company's drive isn't solely about manufacturing vehicles, but instilling a cultural shift towards eco-friendly transportation. The investment tiers aren't just about financial contributions. They symbolize varying levels of commitment to shaping a better tomorrow. Once you've invested in Aptera, tracking your stake becomes an integral part of the journey. Through Carta, investors gain access to details about their involvement, although Aptera shares remain privately held until a potential IPO or acquisition opens up avenues for liquidity. Aptera's promise doesn't stop at vehicles. It extends to redefining how we view transportation, integrating sustainability into the core of everyday life. The leadership's commitment to transparency and keeping stakeholders informed about the roadmap, including potential IPOs, reflects their dedication to inclusivity and openness. Investing in Aptera isn't just a financial decision. It's an affirmation of your commitment to a cleaner, more sustainable future. It's about being part of a narrative that prioritizes innovation, sustainability, and a conscious shift towards responsible living. The road to sustainability is one that Aptera is navigating with purpose and dedication. As an investor, your support contributes not just to the growth of a company, but to the larger movement towards a world powered by renewable energy. With a delivery date on the horizon, the opportunity to invest in Aptera takes on a new dimension of significance. The clock is ticking, and those who seize this chance become not just investors but pioneers in a groundbreaking movement towards sustainable transportation. Investing in Aptera before the stipulated delivery date isn't merely a financial decision. It's a commitment to shaping the future of transportation. The countdown creates a sense of immediacy, prompting individuals to act swiftly and be part of a community that's driving change. Every investment in Aptera isn't just a number. It's a contribution to a larger vision. The delivery date underscores the need to act promptly, emphasizing the importance of joining hands in crafting a sustainable tomorrow. Post-investment, stakeholders eagerly anticipate updates and insights into Aptera's roadmap. The delivery date serves as a milestone, not just for the company, but for investors as they track progress and anticipate the potential for liquidity in the future. Beyond financial gains, investing in Aptera ahead of the delivery date holds the promise of leaving a lasting legacy, one that aligns personal choices with a global movement towards sustainability. Behind the sleek design and innovative technology of Aptera vehicles lies a production process fraught with challenges and intricacies. Bringing a revolutionary concept to life is no easy feat, and Aptera's journey through the production phase is a testament to this reality. At the core of Aptera's challenges in production lies its groundbreaking design. The vehicle's aerodynamic form, coupled with its solar-powered functionality, demands meticulous engineering precision. Balancing aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability within the manufacturing realm presents a unique set of hurdles. Aptera's integration of cutting-edge technology, including solar panels, lightweight materials, and a futuristic design, poses challenges during the manufacturing process. Ensuring seamless integration of these elements requires a delicate balance between technological advancement and practical application. The production process is intricately linked to a robust supply chain. Securing specialized components, sourcing sustainable materials, and maintaining quality standards across the production line pose ongoing challenges. With an emphasis on eco-friendly practices, Aptera faces the additional hurdle of sourcing materials that align with its sustainability goals. Before vehicles hit the road, rigorous testing and quality assurance protocols must be met. Aptera's commitment to delivering high-performance, eco-friendly vehicles necessitates extensive testing, adding complexity and time to the production cycle. Despite the hurdles, Aptera remains committed to overcoming these challenges. Their dedication to pushing the boundaries of sustainable transportation fuels innovation and perseverance through the production phase. The intricacies and challenges within Aptera's production process are not deterrents but catalysts for innovation. Each obstacle presents an opportunity for growth and refinement, ensuring that every Aptera vehicle that rolls off the production line embodies the pinnacle of eco-friendly, futuristic transportation. The complexities of production may slow the process, but they do not hinder the resolve to revolutionize the automotive industry. Aptera's unwavering commitment to sustainability and technological advancement remains the driving force behind overcoming these challenges and ushering in a new era of transportation. And now let's hear from you in the comments section. If you enjoyed today's content, then leave us a like, subscribe, and ensure the bell notification is on to be notified of our recent content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.